Hi everyone, and just after getting off the call with Katie and after doing my goal activation session, I gave it a 10 out of 10, and the reason I gave it a 10 out of 10 is because I went in with one goal in mind, and it was my big goal, the one that scared me the most. And as we processed through the call, at the very end, it wasn't about the goal, or it wasn't about the destination of where I wanted to be in the goal. I have it all in me. The destination is in me. It's not in some place far away, or it's all within me. The sun, the light, the radiance, everything, it's all within me. This is the reason I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, just for coming to that realization. So thank you, Katie. Thank you for everything you've done for me this past week. Thank you.